on strike. And they have explained that this is because the CBA was not implemented from 2017 to date. The different areas that need to take responsibility. We have matters for the national government, we have matters that are cross-cutting, we have matters of county government. Speaker and honorable members, I want to confirm that of the 6 issues that pertain to the national government, we have addressed them. I want to ask of this House that as for that stipend, we are asking that if the interns, and should they accept that, then they open room for negotiation that government has offered. They have not come to the table to tell us that, no, we will not take that, we want this. That must be allowed to happen. This solution will not just come from the Ministry of Health. It will come from the whole of nation approach and the ministry being able to implement what will have been agreed on. I have also said that we expect a ruling from the court today. The mention is happening today. But the judge in his wisdom already ordered the doctors to suspend the strike. I want to plead with the doctors that if they respect the court orders and suspend the strike, they will create a very good environment of being listened to, and even the government also moving forward so that we meet somewhere with the doctors.
Haya, Nakhumincha